All right, it's chip of the day time. Actually, it's chips of the day. I was at the store and I found a $10 grab bag. So yeah, let's open up the $10 grab bag and take a look at what's inside. This will be a look into the future of chips of the day. Hopefully we'll find some good things in here that will make great chips of the day. Figured $10 was a steal. Let's go ahead and see what we got. They are all surface mount, I believe, so that's an interesting thing. And all right, what do we got? All right, everything's marked. A 2222, little bitty ones. That looks like an oscillator. 26 megahertz. What is this? Linear regulator, 1.2 volts. Schottky diode. Linear regulator, 2.8 volts. 2907. There you go. Classic. MOSFET P channel. Strange part number. Never seen this before. 74.2. Low voltage G. So it's a 74 LVC2G14. Oh, maybe it's a 14. Maybe it's a 7414 and really cool low voltage stuff. Let's see. What is this? NPN transistor. SOT346. All right, looks like a 23 to me. I don't know. What is this one? Linear regulator 1.8. I think we had one of those already. 74ACH1G08. 7408 maybe? Interesting. We got a BAT54, a diode array. Oh, that's interesting. There's two diodes in there. Linear regulator 2.2 volts. That's an interesting value. 7803. That's cool. Pretty rare, I would say. Here is a 2-input SOT5. Interesting. I like these little packages. Got a lot of these. What are these? PMV60s. SOT23. I don't know what these are. We'll find out. Stay tuned for Chip of the Day. We'll find out. Here's another inverter. IC buffer, 5.5 volts. Non-inverting 2.7 volts. Yellow LED in a weird package. Interesting. A 1608. Oh, these guys are tiny. What are these? Diode Zener, 6.8 volts, a SOD 523 package. Those little no-see-ums. Non-inverting 5.5. MOSFET 2-channel. Okay. Another regulator, 2.5. What is this? I don't know that part number. TPS2113. IC or control circle. I don't know what that is. Tiny little package. Okay. MOSFET. Oh, here's some big ones. 7805s, classic. IC supervisor. All right, supervise the other ones. We've got a lot of them, so they need supervising. MOSFET. Linear regulator, I think. No. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Okay. IC amp current feedback. Oh, interesting. Current feedback. I did a Norton amplifier once upon a time, And this is an HCT14. I can use those. Schmidt trigger. Multiplier. Oh, a 4-quadrant multiplier. Score an AD835. Wow, got 5 of them. Score big time. That's worth the $10, definitely. Oh, man, that's a good score. All right. If anybody was doing my Lorenz tractor, they know how expensive these things are. Okay, what do we got here? IC inverter. Oh, cool guys. Non-inverting 5.5. Got a bunch of these. Blue LED diffused SMDs, little tiny ones. Diode, a B250. Schottky diode, 50 volt, 2 amps. Oh, a big one. Oh, got a lot of those too. That's a good one. Like that. X6. Okay. LED Luxion. I used to work there. 5. Let's see here. Yeah, 4,000 Kelvin. Oh, here they are. Yeah, those are nice. Spent a lot of years there. Diode Zener 5.1 classic. What do we got here? Everything's stuck together. What are these guys? Low power VCO, voltage control oscillator. Awesome, that'll be fun. That's a good one. We got 2.5 volt regulator. We got IC LED driver. TL1932. Don't know about that one. Let's see. We got a buffer. A lot of these. What are these? Transistor NPN. 2SC2412. Interesting one. Put that on the curve tracer. We got an op amp JFET 2 circuit. Oh, TL082. Got 4 of those. Those are super handy. Got a lot of these. What are these? IC NAND gates. That's a thing. Here's a buck adjustable converter. LMR 2383. So all these weird parts I don't know about. This is good for me. Here's another LED driver. And this is a transistor. MMBT 4401. I've heard of that before. I don't remember why. Oh, got a whole bag of these things. What are these things? IC dual Schmidt trigger. Oh yeah, it's a 14. It's a 74 low voltage CMOS LVC. Those are handy. In a funny little package though. Non-inverting. We got here D-type flip-flop. Oh, 7474 in a low voltage type. In a funny little package. MOSFET and channel, 30 volt, 3.6 amps, SO23. Very nice. Linear regulator, 2.8. IC power supply sequencer. Wonder why they call it a sequencer. LM3880. All right. IC switch. 66. I think it's like a 4066 maybe. Let's see. We got another linear regulator, 1.8. This is a 7408. And this is an op amp, zero drift. LTC 2066. Interesting. That'll be a good one. And to round it out, we have a 74125 IC buffered non-inverting 5.5 volts SOT23-5. I love all these little 74 parts that are just like one gate. You get like one little tiny. It's just like one gate. That's pretty cool. Anyway, there you go. We got a whole big pile of them for $10. I think that's a big score there. So yeah. We will be set to go for chips of the day for quite a while.